We'd walk into a hotel and we'd do it right in the hallway, or wherever somebody was comfortable with taking their dose.
1/3 of people in Vancouver's downtown east side who use drugs are not fully vaccinated against COVID-19. That's according to a new study warning us to be mindful that not all communities are equally protected against the virus.
The underlying issues, being homeless, staying in shelters, would have a severe impact if they did get impacted by COVID. And so, we were down there daily on the street, on street corners.
The study by the BC Centre on Substance Use and UBC spoke with 275 people who use drugs in Vancouver's downtown east side and downtown south neighborhoods. By the end of January 2022, 64% reported being fully vaccinated. Compare that to just over 81% of BC's general population being fully vaccinated at that time.
These findings are of interest not only with respect to populations of people who use drugs across Canada, but also marginalized populations that might need special outreach to improve their access, to address their fears, to build their trust about vaccines.
Early on in the vaccine rollout, the province prioritized people experiencing housing insecurity, rolling out a number of efforts to reach people in the downtown east side, including recruiting those with lived experiences to help with outreach.
And, a lot of people know us and other of my colleagues who are people with lived experience in that community. And that gave them some assurance. One of the main questions that I'd always gotten was, did you get the vaccine? And I was like, yes, of course.
Research scientist with the BC Centre on Substance Use, Brittany Barker, feels the study indicates local efforts in the downtown east side were relatively successful when compared to other drug user populations in North America.
One in Tijuana, San Diego, where they found at the end of September, only 7% of people had received one dose of the vaccine. There's another really large study in Ontario that it was 23,000 people, and it was, I believe, 50% had been vaccinated.
Peer clinical advisor Guy Filicella says he's proud of the work done on the downtown east side, emphasizing the importance of trust and easy access when it comes to encouraging vaccinations in vulnerable communities.
Still outreach teams out there trying to give the vaccine. They're still approaching shelters and, trying to make a difference and let people know that if they do need a booster shot or anything, hey, we're here, we'll help you.
Ashley Burr, City News.